Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant UE5 update for stretching resolution, zooming, and any other problems with the display. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now in the game. Now to fix this issue, all you have to do is exit the game. And now from here, you're going to go to your file explorer or anything. And then from here, you're going to write percentage app data percentage. Now from here, you're going to go back to the app data right here, then click on the local. Then from here, you're going to search for Valorant by clicking on V. And then in the Valorant right here, you're going to click on saved. Now from here, you're going to see for the config. And then from Windows client. And as you can see right here, there's an app that's called game user settings. Click on it. And once it opens, it's going to open in a notepad settings. And as you can see right here, the resolution size for X and Y is set to right there. So make sure that the resolution is set to the correct one. So depending on your Windows resolution or your screen, you're going to set it. For me, the default is 1920 by 1080, which is the correct resolution. You can check your resolution settings by going right here, right click. And then from here, or you can right click in the main page and then go to display settings. And then in the display settings, as you can see right here, the display resolution has to match the resolution that is going to be written in this folder. And as you can see right here, it matches 1920 by 1080. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.